Look, somebody scrapped at the friggin' scrapyard, folks. What? It's an old grave marker. 1897, 1903. It's crazy. 50 pounds of brass. What? Gas prices, folks. What? Alright guys, scrapping day at the picker compound. I got a bunch of friggin' metal I need to get loaded into the truck. As you can tell, I just got my trampoline set up. I need to get all this metal loaded into my vehicle and take it up to the scrapyard. Tony Little's Gazelle. And I got some radiators and crap. Probably gonna tear those apart. A few other things. Yep, I gotta get this truck loaded up. I'll get back with you when I got that done. What? Alright, YouTube, scrapping time. I'm gonna take these chairs I dug out of the garbage and scrap them. They're aluminum, so I need to get all that plastic off. All the plastic off those ones. I need to smack the plastic off these radiator. As you can see, I was doing there. And I need to bust that plastic off of there. That's an electric motor that's going inside. Radiator's going inside. Chairs are going inside. Oh yeah. Alright, 1/3 of the scrap metal is loaded around the picker compound. I gotta get this up to the scrapyard before they close. I got car engines and stuff over there I still need to scrap. And some shit I need to tear down over here. But I'm gonna get up to the scrapyard, take this in, see what we get. I got wire, aluminum chairs, cast aluminum car parts, Cadillac converter. I don't know what I'm gonna get, I'll see. Check back in with you when we get there. Look, somebody scrapped at the friggin' scrapyard, folks. What? It's an old grave marker. 1897, 1903. It's crazy. 50 pounds of brass. What? Alright guys, gonna leave the scrapyard. I just got done taping that freaking grave marker. That's pretty crazy. Never seen a grave marker before scrapped. I imagine downstate they do it. Big old truck on the scale. Piles all pushed together. They got the forklift going. Snowmobile. What? The Last 10 ski for sale. Yeah. Alright, we gotta blow this popcorn stand. Fleet over there. Fleet of dump trucks. Scrapping with John the Picker. This is what we get this week for scrap prices. They didn't go up. Did not go up. Tin didn't anyway. I don't know about the other metals. We'll have to check back with the other videos and see. For the converter, I got $10. I got, what, $1.75 for some copper. I had a pound of it. Copper with insulation, I had 10 pounds. I got $4.50. We ended up getting $53.35. Not bad. I ended up spending most of that at my local garage sales. Check the videos out on that. Scored up some pretty good stuff. I never seen somebody scrap a grave marker before, so I had to record that. That was pretty crazy. I'm John the Picker. Tune in for more scrapping videos. I got 2 car engines to scrap. I'll be scrapping those out pretty soon. Oh yeah, making money.